To register is very simple. You use this link, or you check on my bio, there is a link there, you click on it. So when you click on the link, an environment like this will open for you. Okay, an environment like this will open for you, where they will ask you to sign up. Okay, because you don't have an account, so they will ask you to sign up. If you have an account already, they will ask you to log in. So since you don't have an account, you are going to sign up. So how do you sign up? Here you see email. You input an email address here that is very active. Like if they send you a message, you receive it through that email address. So let me use this email address. Now you see the email address I input. The email address is active, and the password, this password area is very important, guys. You see the first letter of your password should be a capital letter, like a block letter, okay, and the rest should be small letters. And you must have a special character. A special character can be @ can be $, and you must have a number in your password to make it more stronger. Okay, so you see, for this example, I use Syria at 61. Okay, then here you are seeing country. You have to input the country that you are staying. If you are staying in Sierra Leone, you put Sierra Leone, after which you create account. You see, after which they will ask you to either save your password. You click on save. Now confirm your email address. Okay, we sent confirmation link to this email. They sent an email to me already, so I have to go and check. Now you see here on my email address, you see Weltrade, confirm your email address. You click on the email. So that's why the email address you must input should be an active email. So you see here confirm, you have to confirm. Okay, after you confirm, you see, dear clients, okay, dear clients, we appreciate if you could share your phone, okay, with us, so we can make a personal offer for you. Okay, so here, if you want, you can input your phone number. Okay, so let me input my phone number. You input your phone number and continue. Okay, now they will tell you your account is ready. Okay, your account is ready. You see, they will give you a setup like this, telling you your account is ready. So what you do now after this step is, you go to your Apple Store or your Play Store, you search for the broker's name, Weltrade. Okay, Weltrade, like this. Okay, if you don't have an account with them, if you don't have the app in your phone, you will see here installed. You see, I already have the app in my phone, so that's why they are telling me to open. Okay, so if you don't have an account, if you don't have the app, you have to download the app and install it in your phone. Okay, so for me, I have it, so let me click on open. Now after clicking on open, you see here they are asking you to log in here again. Here you already have an account now, so you are just going to log in into the account. Here you put your email address. Okay, you put your email address. You put Williams. Don't forget the same email address you registered with. The same email address, guys. You don't have to forget. If you forget, it's a problem. You will not have access to the account. Then you use the same password. Okay, after putting your email address and your password, you click on sign in. Okay, sign in. They're asking you to save your password. They say yes. Now they are taking you to your Weltrade account. This is your Weltrade account, but remember, this is just an account. It is not yet verified. So the next thing you have to do is you have to verify this account. So to verify the account, at the downside of the phone, you are seeing here dashboard, finance, promo, terminal, and account. You click on account, then you scroll down to settings. When you come to setting, you see here security, notification, payment, verification, the last option. You click on verification. Okay, first they will ask you to verify all these things. Your email address is verified. Okay, so to verify your phone number, you click on manage. Then they will show you an option to input your phone number. Then you verify it. The phone number must be a valid phone number. Personal information, you click on manage, and they will ask you for your first name. And this area is very important also. The name that you must input here should be a name that is on your national ID or on your passport. Okay, there should be not even a letter difference. Okay, the same exact, the same spelling. Okay, Then they will ask you for your country of residence. You input and then you click on submit. Okay. Then for the KYC, you are seeing identity verification, KYC. So this one is also very simple. Okay, you go to manage and you input, you submit, but you must complete this one first. You must complete the phone number, you complete the personal information, then the KYC will be the last option. Okay, after you complete 1, 2, 3, the KYC is the number 4. So if you don't do 1, 2, 3, you will not be able to do the KYC, the last one. So you have to do the first 3 and then do the last one. So in my next video, I'm going to show you guys how to deposit and also how to withdraw your profit from Weltrade. Okay.